Hi guys, hope that you are enjoying this video. So I'm going to share a new secret today with you on reading the Grand Tableau, the secret about the cards in the Lenormand Oracle. We are continuing with exploring our Grand Tableau with this fabulous, person who had give me the permission to explain and to talk about her Grand Tableau, and I really want to thank her for that. So we had look at secret, we had look at honesty, we had look at what he wants to bury, what he wants to hide deeply within. So let us see how people see him. What is his reputation? Okay, so the card that represents reputation is the moon. Okay, these will represent how people see you, what face you show to the world. And we are going to look at the top and the bottom card of the moon. Okay, so people see him as someone awesome with a bouquet, someone who is a gift. He may be charming, he may be, look amazingly beautiful. And also, he is someone who looks very friendly, very innocent. And this is someone that we really want to take care of. Okay, we've seen here that he is a snake. He is really sneaky. He's playing a role. He is, manipulating everybody. And here the moon gives again the tone. Either these two cards are fabulously wonderful and positive. We can see, with what we have seen before, that he's not that innocent. He may look, beautiful. He may look handsome, but deep inside there are treachery and lies.